Etsy traffic is unpredictable. Sales shouldn't depend on Etsy's mood swing. Sales can be very inconsistent, so some weeks are busy, others are dead. There's no stability, no control. Etsy ads honestly don't fix it. Paying for clicks doesn't build long-term traffic. It actually stops when you stop paying. So you're stuck inside Etsy at their mercy with very little control of anything besides what you list on your shop and how you list it. So the usual guru advice is this: list more or change your titles, tags, photos, descriptions, blah, 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 blah. That advice stinks. It's not going to get you more sales. Sorry. There's a better way. Stop depending 100% on Etsy for all your sales. Get your own traffic. Now, you can get traffic from Google and AI discovery, not just Etsy. You literally set it and forget it. Choose what listings to promote, tell us what you want to rank for, and we do the rest. It's one simple dashboard. We will plan, write, publish, and optimize everything for you. If you want to see it, cool. Let's go have a look here. So now I'm inside the dashboard, and we've got all of our calendar and the posts that are going up. Now I'm on the mega plan, but you can see it's all covered. These are the green ones are the ones that have already gone, and the yellow are the ones that are scheduled. And we're using the latest SEO strategies in order to do this too. So let's go to the menu, and the first place we're going to go is the knowledge base. So we've got a nice welcome section here for you as soon as you log in. Talks about everything we're doing here. What we do, we help you build topic clusters around keywords you choose. That's the tech side. Automatically generate supporting posts over time, keep your site consistent, design images and structure, lets you monetize your content with products, banners, and call to actions. We work quietly in the background once set up. Think of this like planting trees. You don't get traffic overnight, but once it starts, it really starts pouring in and it compounds. So this is not some gimmick. It's not a rank overnight trick. It's not an AI spam machine. It's not something you need to babysit daily. If you've been burned out by shortcuts, good. We're the opposite. So how to think about using Free Traffic Blogger? You choose the keywords, you tell us the products, the offers, and your branding. You know your business better than anyone else, and then we do the heavy lifting for you. So once set up, the content's generated, structured, and published automatically. You stay patient and consistent, and then it just works. So what you should do first is choose your domain, subdomain or custom domain. If you go custom, that's up to you. We give you a subdomain that you can use. Give us one primary keyword you truly want to rank for first. Add your main products or offers, and then we will get to work. So less is more when you start, of course, and then there's a couple of common beginner mistakes. But we also provide a nice little checklist here too. Let's go back to this. So we do have a checklist for getting started, exactly how each step works, how it unlocks, what we need to get started, and then what is optional for you. And then, of course, we have a whole knowledge base article on Google Search Console. We show you how to set that up and how to connect your blog to it so that you do get indexed by Google. And then on the AI side, we show you in Bing Webmaster Tools, because it seems like AI uses Bing more than anything, we show you exactly how to submit your sitemap and everything else to Bing Webmaster Tools so that it works. And basically Bing just piggybacks right off Google Search Console. There's also a switch site if you have multiple sites. There's brand settings that you can go into. So in here we have, that's kind of how you teach us to write posts that feel like your business. The more clearly you describe what you sell and who you sell to, the better your posts will be. So we have this, we have the core information, which is your brand name, your store name, whatever it may be. What do you sell? Who are your posts for? Brand voice, and then SEO guidance, primary keyword, secondary, keep it realistic. We even have a seasonality setting where we know, the system knows what time of the year it is, and it will adjust the post to holidays that are upcoming or seasonal, which is amazing if you're selling gifts on your store too. We also have safety notes, avoid trademark terms or copyright terms. Everything else is in there. So that's the knowledge base is where you really go to learn everything about the system and how to use it. And then we have domain settings. We have subdomain, which we give you automatically, or you can do a custom domain. So you could go to like GoDaddy or whatever, buy a domain, and you could point it at Free Traffic Blogger, and that will show up in the URL bar. So it will look like your exact domain, even though it's our blog that we're hosting for you. And then we've got the keywords. Then we got products and offers. Then we got the appearance, which means we can basically style your blog any way you want it. And I'll give you an example here on mine. So my blog is here. Let me go back to the main page, and I'll just take this one. So this whole blog post is generated using the system, and this particular one went out and did the images for me. So we got a nice image, nice little blurb, table of contents, which are clickable. And then this is my little banner. And when people click it, I'll just open that in a new tab. It goes right to a page. And on that page, they can actually get a free course. And then we have the whole article itself, which has links built into it. And the links are going to other posts as well as products that we tell it to in a natural way. So it's not spammy at all. And then, of course, a big call to action here. I want some help, join here. This is fully customizable, and this is produced by the system. So if it's an Etsy store, you're going to switch that to, for example, if Valentine's Day is coming up, want the perfect gift for Valentine's Day, click here to view our store and send them to your best Valentine's Day product on Etsy. Then we got related posts and everything else. This whole thing is styled by the appearance section of the site so that it matches the exact same flow as my homepage in light mode. There we go. You can see that. So that just links right there. And this is the actual blog page that is produced 100% by Free Traffic Blogger. So everything you see on here. So we've tried to think of everything that a user is going to need to customize it, make it look how they want with the styles, colors, fonts, layouts, whatever they want to do. And then we added in the banners. Now the banners are what you saw on that other page. You can actually have a clickable image banner inside your blog posts, which is a simple way to promote products, offers, guides, sign up page, whatever you want. And then here's the key though. One change updates everything. So when you update your banner here, it updates across all existing posts and all future posts for the site, meaning you can swap it out. So if you're an Etsy seller and the next holiday is coming up, or you're in between holidays and you want to change to focus on your best-selling product, you can swap out that banner. And then you can put the link to go right to your Etsy listing, which is a wonderful way to get people who are reading the blog post to actually see that and go, oh, I like that. And they'll click it, they'll go to your Etsy store and hopefully buy your product. So it's super simple to set up. You can either upload a banner image to us, or you can use a URL to get it. And then you set the target URL. We also have UTM tracking, which just allows you to set like source, medium, campaign if you want. It'll allow like Google Analytics to really pick it up nicely. And then what to promote. We give you a couple ideas here, image tips, and then troubleshooting is in there as well. So the banner feature is very powerful because it can be updated whenever you want. But the other one, that little text block that I showed you on the other page right here. Right here, let me scroll down. This little text block, want some help, join there, learn more, is actually controlled right here from the text block in the main menu, which is this, but we're in the knowledge base. So what it does, it allows you to show a short message and a button inside your blog posts. So it's the easiest way to turn blog readers into email subscribers or send them to any page you want. Okay, so that's the other thing with Etsy. You can't build an email list anymore. So you could have this text block point to your email list and maybe give away a free guide, or say we do a weekly draw for a free gift or a free product or whatever you need on the lead generation side to get them in there. And then you send them to your page, which is an opt-in form. And it could be from any of the major email services like MailChimp or a MailerLite or ConvertKit or whatever you want to use for that. But that will allow you to build an email list, which you cannot do on Etsy. So one change updates everything, of course. So when you update that text block, it updates across all the past posts and all the future posts for the site. That's the neat thing that we built in because it's something that honestly I wanted for my own stores. And I am a print-on-demand seller myself. So how to set it up, super simple. And then you set up your add to button URL, and you can optionally add UTM tracking. And then what to put, we give you a couple ideas there. And templates, give you a couple ideas there, and everything is in. Super easy to read, super easy to figure out. And then down here, we have image settings as well. So we do have different plan settings. The standard plan doesn't come with images, but the Pro and Power plans do come with images. So this basically lets you control how the images look across your blog, so everything feels consistent and on brand. So think of it like setting a house style so your posts don't look random, which builds consistency and trust. So when all your posts use the same style, lighting, vibe, colors. Readers trust your site more, and it just looks way more professional. So going back here, if I go back to my blog, right here, you'll see that all of the images are using the same setting that I told it to. So that keeps it consistent and makes it look really, really good. So in here, we have a bunch of different ones. You can pick your size, landscape or square, and then you can choose a type. So you can do a lifestyle one, or product studio, or photo reel, or illustration, or minimal, or flat vectorish. If you're not sure, I would start with like probably lifestyle. It depends on you. Everybody's different. And then you can add a brand vibe prompt, and that's your secret weapon. So that short little text tells the system what your images should feel like, and you want to keep it simple and consistent. And then you can add a negative prompt too if you want to avoid things like no text in there, no watermarks, no logos, no distorted hands or weird faces, and then you click submit, and then we are good to go. So you can also use AI to write your style prompts if you want to, which is very cool. And we give you full information on how to do that right in here. So the knowledge base is perfect. When you first join, you'll see a little onboarding page immediately, and it's going to ask 2 questions. Once you do that, you'll see the checklist, and then you can work your way through that to fully set up the site. Once we have the required fields from the checklist, we will actually get started and start creating your posts, scheduling them, and then actually posting them. So you'll be able to use your site right away. And then in the meantime, we do suggest you go to submit your site to the Google Search Console, which again, we do have full information and instruction here, and then Bing Webmaster Tools. These 2 things are key to actually get your site noticed and actually get it picked up by the search engines. All right, so let's go back here for a second. So the whole gist is we do blog posts on autopilot. And in your case, for Etsy, we actually host a blog for you too. So you don't even have to do that. So you get keyword-driven blog posts published automatically and consistently. The buyers are going to find you. So your content will get indexed and discovered by shoppers searching to buy. And yes, people do search to buy things outside of Etsy. I know Etsy sellers think sometimes that's the only way to possibly get sales. It's not true. So buyers find it, buyers click it from search engines like Google and AI programs like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, whatever it may be. And then they buy. They buy right on your Etsy listing, right on Etsy for you. So you've got them from outside of Etsy. You've sent them to your store to buy your product. That's the whole point of all of this. It's getting that free traffic. So you're in control. There's no more waiting for Etsy to feel like sending you some traffic. You're getting search engine and AI traffic because we've optimized those blog posts for AI as well as old school search engine traffic. So imagine this. You see your Etsy listings on Google and they're being shown inside ChatGPT when someone is searching for products. That's happening right now. You need to be in there too, and we will get you there. All right, so how? I mean, that's where we come in. There's basically 20,000 lines of code and probably 1,000 hours of coding behind this, but you went to Etsy for a reason. You went there so you did not have to do any of the marketing side, right? The harsh truth is this, which a lot of sellers figure out real quick. There's a lack of sales, a lack of consistent sales, but it's not your fault. It's theirs. They made some promises and they didn't deliver. So you put in the work and now you can finally get the sales you deserve on Etsy. So go from this feeling frustrated, annoyed, upset with a severe lack of sales or inconsistent sales to this, being excited again and can't wait to check your stats and actually get sales daily on Etsy. Get started now. Let's do this. Pick your plan, get in there. We will start getting you free traffic. It does compound over time, and it's a wonderful way to complement your existing Etsy store. You don't have to leave Etsy. You can stay there. We will just get traffic for you.